Alright guys, we're gonna do a little weather update with meteorologist Weather Dude 12. Today we're gonna be looking at the forecast models, and as you can see, they pop up the storms in Texas very well, and then they put them in Alabama, Tennessee, and Kentucky. Tomorrow, in the next 42 hours, then the storm kind of exits out. Number 4 brings severe weather to Florida, parts of Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, and parts of Maryland. Then, as we go through time here, you can see storms popping up in Oklahoma in the next 144 hours. Then they pop up in Texas in the next 168 to then it becomes an upper level low. And that's as far as it goes. As far as the total snowfall, I don't think snow is not going to accumulate much, except in the mountains. Now let's go to the satellite imagery and view the Atlantic and Pacific. You can see there's a big upper level low right here, swirling up. Then here's a low right there, there's a low. And right here, there's one. You can see there might even be a tropical system coming into the Pacific the next 5 days, so you guys need to be alert. And as we go to the Atlantic wide sector, no tropical systems are active. The Gulf is quiet, the Atlantic's quiet. Just every tropical system, tropical body of water is quiet. So as we take a look at the next days ahead, today we have that severe weather from the Mexico border all the way to Wisconsin, and tomorrow all the way from the Gulf Coast all the way to parts of Illinois. Then on Friday, parts of Florida, Georgia, all of South Carolina, parts of North Carolina, all of Virginia, West Virginia and Maryland will get storms as well. Then for Saturday, no severe weather for Saturday or for Sunday or for Monday or for Tuesday. The temperature forecast for April 2019 is calling to be warmer than average. In precipitation forecast, wetter than average across much of the United States, drier than average for parts of Montana and North Dakota, and average for the Northeast. And then temperature forecast for April to June from parts for all of North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, parts of Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, Colorado, Minnesota, and Iowa. You can be cooler than average, warmer than average in the Pacific Northwest, and in the Northeast and the Southeast. You can be warmer than average in the precipitation forecast, wetter than average across much of the United States, drier than average across Washington and Oregon. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.